I guess this is it. My first. uh, I don't know who to greet. I don't know if there's someone watching this. But anyway, if you're watching, thank you, because this is the beginning. We are going to be here for some time because the options out there. Let's not talk about the options, but YouTube, you should be kind. You should be kind to me. Yeah, I just wanted something that will get me on the camera and I talk about stuff. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I don't know how. No gadgets, but maybe I'm using a Samsung A13. No lights. It's I hope I will show you what I'm using as a light sometimes to. But anyway, all the small creators, we all have our stories. I will share mine sometimes. I'll take this very fast setup and I'll post it. If we become famous. If we don't, deal is off. But yeah, it's good. I hope it's okay. I hope I get some something. But anyway, super excited to be here and I know we shall be here for some time. So this is my first video. I don't know what to talk about. Zero gadgets. Maybe a phone, yeah, and a tripod, and that is it. A phone and a tripod. No nothing. And me, yeah. A phone, a tripod, and me. So uh we shall find what to talk about anyway. Because it's really nothing to talk about. But anyway, I think we just come here to learn how to talk fast. Like someone like me, I should first come here to learn how to talk. After learning how to talk, contents are many. Contents are too much. Like you're just going to run away from it. But anyway, let's first learn how to focus. How to focus. Focus. Yeah. So I said before I go for work, I need to record myself. It's going to be my first video, talking seriously on the camera. And then later on, we shall come back and watch this video and we shall compare how far I'll be and how far we will be there. Yeah. But anyway, no niche, no nothing. I'm just going to post my first video and that's it. Whether they watch it, whether you guys watch it or not. If you watch it, thank you. If you don't watch it, I think I will learn from that. The whole point is to learn. The whole point is to learn and learn how to do something. And maybe get out all these. They'll look at me. How would my friend look at me? How my brother see me? I just want to get that out of me. Because maybe it's the only thing preventing me from getting some step ahead. But right now, yes, the purpose of this video is just I want to remove that, and I'm going to do a lot of videos to remove that. To remove that. I hope I will get the courage to post this. But anyway, I believe it's necessary. Yeah. The next time I'll bring you a very nice content. So I would advise you to subscribe because this might be one of the biggest channel, like a very big one. So you don't want to be out of this pioneer. Like you should be among the first people. We are like if you subscribe on this video, that means you are the pioneers of this page. And God knows all. Thank you. YouTube, I'm coming. YouTube, I'm coming. I don't know how. I don't know what I will use to come there, but boy, I'm on the way. I'm on the way. Huh? You might see Mr. Beast of Africa. Huh? Mr. Beast of Africa. Big up to Mr. Beast. But anyway, thank you. And I'm not thanking you enough yet because when that time comes to thank you for this video that you're watching, I think that is the time I will even thank you more, because the courage, all I need right now is the courage. All I need right now is the courage, and maybe find what to talk about and start talking about it. Anyway, for now, peace.